Virgo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood niyo yung reading na to. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood niyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Virgo. Next 24 hours for Virgo. Okay, so your focus is about yourself, Virgo. Lalo na if you are someone who's very creative, maaring meron kang mga creative pursuits, creative na mga projects. Creative projects, yes. Maaring yung iba sa inyo nasa social media, content creation. So in the next 24 hours, I see you na magiging very busy. Researching, learning. There is also merong ka kailangan pag-ingatan pagdating sa pera mo, no? Be very careful sa pag-handle ng pera mo kasi pwedeng, alam mo na, ma-misplace mo, mawala for some reasons. So, pay attention. At hindi lang sa pera, pwede rin sa gamit, like cellphone, ganyan, anything electronics. And then, meron ditong delays pagdating sa ine-expect mo na darating na pera. Okay? But it doesn't mean na hindi siya darating. Kailangan lang maging patient ka sa paghihintay. Okay? I also see communication sa isang family member, especially kapatid na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap or pwedeng meron kayong hidwaan or may conflict sa inyong dalawa, pwedeng kayo ay mag-uusap and eventually you will be able to settle kung ano yung mga issues ninyo. Oo. So, pwedeng may forgiveness, may clarity, may pag-aayos, pwedeng tutulong yung parents, no? Para maayos yung connection ninyo ng kapatid mo. Yung iba pwede naman tong sa kaibigan na nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding. Oo. So, some of you will also have focus on your hopes and dreams. Maaring sa ngayon, yung iba na ang isa sa goal ninyo makapag-abroad or makapag-travel abroad or makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa or makapag-aral. Yung iba gusto bumalik ulit sa pag-aaral. Pwedeng this is a traditional learning. Pwede rin naman tong sarili mong research or so yung parang self-study o kaya naman mga online courses. Okay? So, I also see someone na namimiss. May namimiss. Namimiss kayo ng person na who is a loved one na malayo sa inyo ngayon. Pwedeng naninirahan sa ibang bansa or you are in a long-distance relationship with someone. Some of you are also focusing on your health. Maaring meron kang inaayos sa iyong kalusugan. This is very important kasi yung iba merong concerns pagdating sa inyong health. Okay, let's see the overall energy. The Ten of Swords. This is endings of a situation that is no longer serving you. Ito yung tipong nagtiis ka kasi sa sitwasyon na yan. And now is the time na na-realize mo na okay, ayoko na. Ayoko na magstay sa ganyang sitwasyon. And you are now in the process of yung parang you want na mag-heal from this. But I don't think naman na nahihirapan ka dito, no? So, kumbaga parang alam mo na it's time to let go because you are, kumbaga you've had enough. This can be a career, business, or situation, relationship na inilaban mo but hindi talaga siya nagwo-work. Like parang walang naging improvement. Your challenge is the Nine of Cups. So, ang challenge mo ngayon is pasayahin yung sarili mo. Ang challenge mo is kung paano mo ma-enjoy yung mga times na wala kang ginagawa. So, ito yung time na mag-explore ka ng iba mo pang pwedeng pagkaabalahan. Oo, kaya siguro nag-aaral ka ngayon or nagre-research ka or you are looking for other opportunities to expand your knowledge, your skills. Kasi beneficial yan para sa'yo. Okay, let's see what is the opportunity for you. Next 24 hours. Wow, Nine of Pentacles. The opportunity here is financial stability. So, like what I mentioned kanina, merong delays sa pera, but it doesn't mean na hindi ka stable. Kasi pwedeng yung expectations mo, may expectation ka na darating na pera is madedelay, but meron ka pa ring sapat para sa pangangailangan mo. Like, more than enough. Yung iba sa inyo, kung aalis kayo sa isang career path na sa tingin nyo, hindi na kayo in alignment, you feel like it's not for you anymore, this is going to open opportunities for you na makapag-solo. Like, yung halimbawa, may business ka ngayon. So, yun yung gusto mong i-pursue na, yung pagbe-business, kaysa sa pagtatrabaho. Mas nagiging business-minded kayo ngayon. Or, kung hindi mo to business, can be any source of income na wala kang amo, wala kang boss. Your blessing is the Page of Pentacles. O, learning talaga. Pag-aaral, studies ang blessings ninyo, Virgo. So, itong aaralin mo, i-improve mo sa sarili mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo, na talagang mag-i-invest ka dyan, pupuhunanan mo. This is going to be a blessing sa'yo. Kasi mas marami pa tong madadala na opportunities for you. Okay, so sa finances, yung iba sa inyo nasa entertainment kayo or social media, marami pa kayong ibang opportunities when it comes to your career, your finances. So be open sa mga opportunities na to. Okay, huwag kang mag-doubt sa sarili mo na hindi ko kaya yan or baka hindi ako para dyan. I-try mo muna kasi you'll never know na magugustuhan mo pala at doon ka pala mas magkiklik. Doon ka pala mas magiging successful. Sa love life ng mga Virgo, let's see. Pay attention sa intensyon ng isang tao sa'yo. Can be romantic or friendship, but some of you romantic relationship to. May mga bagay na itinatago sa'yo, yung person mo. Mga bagay na hindi mo na kailangan malaman. Pero, depende yan. Kung nararamdaman mo na may tinatago sa'yo, then, imbestigahan mo. Tingnan mo kung totoo nga yung nararamdaman mo. But, wag laging maniniwala, no, sa sinasabi ng person. Lalo na kung alanganin yung mga reasoning niya or dahilan niya. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.